Right, there goes 323220 on the 1101 West Midlands Railway service to Bromsgrove from Lichfield Trin Valley. Which is funny enough, the back to Lichfield Trin Valley. I didn't see what the other back is, but it's 323212. Well, there goes 170-345 and a slightly delayed 11 o'clock West Midlands Railway service from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. Well, there goes the delayed 11:05 West Midlands Railway service to Four Oaks via Birmingham New Street from Redditch. 323211 is on the front. Connected to 323208. Right, here comes the cross-country HST from Edinburgh to Plymouth. It's 43184. Here comes the 1123 West Midlands Railway service to Redditch from Four Oaks. 323219 is on the front. Which is connected to 323241. Right, there goes the 1326 West Midlands Railway service to, so the 1226 West Midlands Railway service to Lichfield Trin Valley. Regional Railway 323221 on the front. Which is connected to 323213. And they even meant the 1126. I'm 2 hours ahead of myself. The 1126, not the 1326 or 1226. Sam can no longer tell the time. Right, here comes 323217 working the West Midlands Railway service to Bromsgrove from Lichfield Trin Valley. They're quite close. 205 is on the back. Right, about to come in now is going to be this severely delayed 1039 cross-country service to Nottingham from Newport, South Wales. 170-113 is on the front. Connected to 170-116 within about 55 minutes to gate. We should have filmed that train at 5 ways. Right, incoming is the 1137 cross-country service from Nottingham to Newport, South Wales from, Newport, South Wales from Nottingham. 170-117. Connected to 170-112. Right, there goes the 1135 West Midlands Railway service to Four Oaks via Birmingham New Street from Redditch. Three two three 243 is on the front. Connected to 323202 on the back. Right, about to leave is going to be this slightly delayed 11:39 cross-country service to Nottingham via Derby from Newport, South Wales, 172110. Thanks to the driver for the horn. Right, incoming is the 11:56 West Midlands Railway Service to Hereford via Worcester Foregate Street from Birmingham New Street. 172345. Right, there goes 323212 on the 11:56 West Midlands Railway Service to Lichfield Trent Valley via Birmingham New Street from Bromsgrove. Three two three 220 is on the back. Well, here comes the train to take me out of here. The 12:01 West Midlands Railway Service to Bromsgrove from Lichfield Trent Valley, 323218. Which is Lichfield City. Connected to 323, I didn't see it. I'll get the rear number when I leave. When I get off at Northfield.